Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I've got this here, and I'm going to show you what this is. This is, if you've ever played Cards Against Humanity, this is a version of it called Games of Disney. So it's like a Cards Against Humanity with a Disney theme to it. So let's take a look at this and see what some of the cards are like. Let's try to open it up. I'm looking forward to this because I like that Cards Against Humanity game. I wish I had some more friends so I could actually play it with people, but I will eventually have some friends. So this is what the box looks like here. And so we'll open it up here. It says players 4 to 20, ages 17 plus, because I think it's got some dirty cards in there or something. So let's see. So this is what it looks like here. At the top there, I'm actually gonna put my glasses on so I can see this thing. So Games of Disney, it's got the instructions. So let's see what some of these cards look like here. So let's just take a couple of them out. And well, so these are gonna be the question cards here. So let's see, let's just take a few of those out and see what it is. And we got a few of the answer choices. So let's see. Everyone was mad when, okay, so this is what it looks like on the outside of it. Everyone was mad when Wreck-It Ralph wrecked. And so then, and you can see the cards are actually pretty good quality. It's like a playing card. And then this one here says, farting just to teach Pocahontas the true meaning of colors in the wind. And colors is spelled like the European version. Feeding Pudge tuna is another answer here. Finally letting go of Let It Go. That's a good one. And finding handcuffs, duct tape, and a ball gag in Mary Poppins' a carpet bag, which would be, these are good. So you can see these are some inappropriate ones, so you're not necessarily gonna play these with the children. And then here's another, just a question card. It says everybody wants. So, I mean, if you've played Cards Against Humanity, you'll understand how to play this. Basically, somebody gets, everyone gets 5 cards or whatever, and then each person takes a turn asking the questions, and then the questions, you pick which answer you think is the best, and whoever has the rightest answer, the person picks their answer. It's not necessarily right or wrong, but they pick the answer, and then they get the card, and whoever gets to a certain amount first wins. So, but that's kind of the concept of it, and I like this game, so I'm interested in playing it at some point. So definitely gonna have to play this, and this is the instructions here, and it comes in the little box. So it's good, and it's a nice box, so it can use it in there. And it's got 800 and something cards worth of stuff, so you can play for a long time. So I like it. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll be back with some more reviews. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and if you want to get one of these, the link's in the description so you can pick one up for yourself. Thanks, bye.